The bench press is a popular exercise, often considered the king of upper body lifts. It builds upper body strength, targeting multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Specifically, it works your chest, shoulders, and triceps, making it a comprehensive workout. This exercise helps you get stronger, enhancing your overall physical performance. It's good for pushing movements in everyday life, such as lifting heavy objects or pushing doors open. Many people want to bench press more weight, setting personal records and achieving new milestones. It's a sign of strength and dedication, showcasing your hard work and commitment to fitness. Mastering the bench press takes time and effort, requiring consistent practice and patience. But it's achievable with the right technique and guidance from experienced trainers or coaches. This guide will teach you how to bench press properly, ensuring you get the most out of your workouts. You'll learn the correct setup, grip, and technique, which are crucial for maximizing effectiveness and preventing injuries. We'll also cover safety tips and common mistakes to avoid, helping you stay safe and injury-free. Let's get started on this journey to mastering the bench press. Proper setup is crucial for a good bench press. Without the right setup, you risk injury and won't be able to lift as effectively. First, adjust the bench so that the bar is directly above your eyes. This ensures that you have the correct starting position and can lift the bar safely. You'll lie with your upper back, shoulders, and butt firmly on the bench. This alignment is essential for maintaining stability and control throughout the lift. Your feet should be flat on the floor, providing a stable base. This foot placement is key to maintaining balance and generating power. This foot placement helps you generate power from the ground. By pushing through your feet, you can transfer energy through your body and into the lift. Maintain a slight arch in your lower back, but don't overdo it. This arch helps you keep your chest up and shoulders back. This natural arch helps protect your spine. It's important to avoid excessive arching, which can lead to strain or injury. Always focus on a natural, comfortable position. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width apart. This grip width can vary slightly depending on your body type and preferences. Wrap your thumbs around the bar for a secure hold. This grip is called a full grip and is safer than an open grip. Squeeze the bar tightly throughout the exercise. This grip strength helps control the weight. Section 4. Up and down with power. Take a deep breath and lower the barbell slowly to your chest. Keep your elbows tucked in at a 45-degree angle to your body. Don't let your elbows flare out. Pause briefly as the bar touches your chest, just below your nipples. Push the barbell back up to the starting position, exhaling as you go. Keep the movement smooth and controlled throughout. Section 5. Safety first, always. In the gym, safety should always be your top priority. Always use a spotter when lifting heavy weights. A spotter is there to help you manage the weight and ensure you can complete your sets safely. A spotter can assist if you struggle to lift the weight. They provide the necessary support to help you push through those last few reps. They can help prevent serious injuries. By being there to catch the weight if you falter, a spotter can save you from potential harm. Warm up properly before each session. Warming up increases blood flow to your muscles, making them more flexible and less prone to injury. Warming up prepares your muscles for the workout. It also helps to mentally prepare you for the physical exertion ahead. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase the load. This approach helps your muscles adapt and grow stronger over time. Use a weight you can handle safely. It's important to challenge yourself, but not at the expense of your safety. Don't try to lift too much too soon. Pushing your limits too quickly can lead to injuries and setbacks. Focus on maintaining good form throughout the exercise. Proper form ensures that you are working the intended muscles and reduces the risk of injury. Section 6. Avoiding common mistakes. One common mistake is flaring elbows. Keep your elbows slightly tucked in for better chest activation. Another mistake is bouncing the bar off the chest. Lower the weight slowly and with control. Avoid arching your back excessively. Maintain a slight natural arch to protect your spine.